Today we are diving into the world of airport lounges, a quiet escape from the bustling terminals, complete with cozy seats, free Wi-Fi, food, drinks, and even showers in some spots. But there is the trick. Some credit cards can open these lounge doors without costing you extra. Yes, really. So if you want to turn those pre-flight hours into a mini retreat, listen up. We are going over the top credit cards that make lounge access not only possible, but easy. Some cards even get you into premium lounges with better perks, while others offer one-time passes or annual lounge credits. Which one's right for you? Let's find out. The Chase Sapphire Reserve. This card is legendary for its perks, especially for travelers. With the Priority Pass membership, you get access to 1,300 lounges around the world. And we're not talking about a mere entry. This is about experiencing lounges with full benefits, wherever Priority Pass lounges are accepted. Plus, with its annual travel credit, you'll quickly offset some of that hefty annual fee. The Platinum Card from American Express. Now, if you are after premium access, look no further than the Platinum Card from American Express. It's a travel powerhouse. You get access to Amex Centurion Lounges, which, if you know, are among the best lounges out there. We are talking spa treatment, mixologists, chef-driven dining, the works. Plus, with partnerships like Delta Sky Club and Priority Pass, this card is worth considering if you are after high-end lounge access. Capital One Venture X. Next up, the Capital One Venture X Rewards. A newer player, but don't underestimate it. Not only does it provide Priority Pass access, but it also has its very own Capital One lounges. Luxury spaces designed with a sleek, modern vibe. Perfect for travelers who want that exclusive feel without going all in on a premium fee structure. Citi AAdvantage. Executive World Elite Mastercard. Now, for the Citi, a must-have if you are a frequent American Airlines flyer. Why? Because this card gives you access to Admirals Club lounges, where you can unwind before those long flights. Just flash this card and you're in. A big win for anyone loyal to American Airlines. So which card matches your travel style? Think about it. Are you a frequent flyer looking for high-end lounge experiences, or do you just want an occasional escape from the crowds? Each of these cards offers something unique, whether it's the widespread Priority Pass access, the elite vibe of Centurion Lounges, or dedicated airline perks. Choose wisely and let your travel experiences reach new heights.